Follow the steps on how to color hair easily with Photoshop. Let's start by selecting the hair using the Lasso Tool. Select and mask. Activate this icon and apply it to the edge of the hair. Click OK. Then add a solid color. Change the layer mode to soft light. Select the mask thumbnail. Adjust the color position like this. Activate the brush with 0% hardness and about 20% opacity settings. Slowly reduce the color intensity on this edge. Double-click here if you want to change the color. Or you can adjust the opacity. And this is the before and after. Good luck! Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.